Alright, so I just got my HelloFresh box. It's big and out of frame, but I'm going to unpack it because, I mean, isn't that what everybody does when they get a HelloFresh box? I feel like that's what everybody does, so. Alright. This is a thingy. This is a thing that talks about stuff. Cool. We'll look at that. Okay. And then we've got the nutritional info for stuff that I could be making. Oh, for all the possible, I think, meals that you could have chosen from for this week, I think. I'm sort of just making this up as I go. I really don't know. It's my first box, guys. So, this is one of the meals I selected. Presto, Pesto, Panko chicken. Because it looked tasty. I got good words, guys. It looked tasty. So, it tells you how to do the thing. Pretty cool. Ooh, it tells you what wine to pair with. Love that. I'm a wino, if you guys didn't know. Barbecue turkey burgers. That looks amazing. Same idea. And then I chose the pulled chicken rice bowls. And yeah, so it tells you how to do it. It tells you, you know, prep time, what of the ingredients you're going to need, all that mumbo jumbo. Let's move that stuff over there. First, we have this crazy packaging to keep everything nice and cool and fresh for arrival, which I was really worried about because I live in a very hot place. It's like 100 degrees today, and that's not like an exaggeration. I think it really is 100 degrees today. Okay, this is the pack for barbecue turkey burgers. It's cold, which is good. So this is letting me know this is all the things for that, I'm assuming. This also says barbecue turkey burgers. So this bag is greener than a salad bar. Pretty cute. And we have a nice recycling system where I live, so I'm happy about that. So those two say barbecue turkey burgers. This one is pulled chicken rice bowls. Then we have this shelving area inside the box. It's just a little divider. And then another ice pack. Ooh, big fickle ice pack in there, still cold. And under the ice pack is the meat. So this is telling you which recipe it goes to. It's the pulled chicken. This is the ground turkey for the turkey. And then this is the chicken breast. Okay, and then there's another ice pack in there. Cool. So, 2 giant ice packs, and in between the ice packs were the meats. Alright, now, that's all that's in the box. Here, I'll show you. Ta-da! That's all it is. This is like some insulated stuff. Now, I will instantly tell you I'm a little confused because I have 3 recipes, yet 2 bags say the same thing. And I think that was maybe a misprint or something. Because this is orange, this one's green, and this one is blue. Let's see if you can see that. Let's move the meats to the side, and let's take a look here. We've got blue is the pulled chicken rice bowls, which this one is pulled chicken rice bowls. Then orange is the barbecue turkey burgers. So I'm assuming that this is what it says it is. And this is green, so this one probably is just mislabeled with Presto, Pesto, Panko chicken. So, I'm assuming this is just a mislabeling, which is totally acceptable. Let's double check the ingredients on this one. So we've got mozzarella, mozzarella cheese, Panko breading. Yeah, see, this is the Panko. Perfect. So this was just a slight mislabeling, but the fact that they have the colored tabs on the stickers and on the recipe cards, very easy to figure out what happened there. So totally okay. Anyways, let's look at the rest of this just for the sake of the video. That's for this one here, the Panko, Presto, Pesto, Panko chicken, which is really fun to say, with roasted potatoes and green salad. So that's just an example of what we got in one of these bags. I'm going to put these away. So So yeah, anyways, I will be making dinner a little later today. And when I make dinner, I will just record that as well, and we'll see how it goes.
Thank you.